Welcome to Sprinteal's video on Cybersecurity Framework. A complete guide. Cybersecurity Framework explained. Crucial information about cybersecurity frameworks. Components of the cybersecurity framework. What are the cybersecurity framework's 5 functions? What are the different types of cybersecurity frameworks? What are the different cybersecurity frameworks? Use this coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off in all our courses. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Sprinteal.